Okay, so if we want to try this in Excel, we can. That's perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. So here is how you would do terminal velocity in Excel. Okay, so over here I have my givens: mass, drag, area, time step, gravity, density of air, and then my initial conditions. Okay, so here my first row is this time. Okay, this is time. Okay, and this is not like I didn't put units. I just wanted to get this out there so you can help. Okay, here dv dt. Okay, so this first, where this is highlighted, okay, red and yellow, okay, you're going to put this equation right here. You're going to put this equation right in this box right here. Okay, that's highlighted red and yellow. Okay, okay, you're going to use, see how this velocity, you're going to use this velocity right here, which is the givens. Okay, so you're going to use that velocity there. Okay, so this whole section down, okay, all of this column, okay, basically is this exact equation, and you're going to use the velocity to the right. Okay, so like this one right here. Okay, all right, let me highlight it. Let's go with let's change it. Let's do purple and green. Okay, so the purple and green, okay, use, go here, it'll use the velocity to the right. Okay, so this velocity is just the same as that velocity. However, in order to find the second velocity, okay, all right, what you're going to do is you're going to use the previous velocity, which is right here, okay, and you're going to add, okay, this highlighted dv dt up here that's red and yellow. Okay, so if I click on this, okay, it's taking the previous, and then it's adding dv dt from the previous, and then I'm multiplying by delta t. Okay, so if you think about it, it's v initial plus some change in velocity after the dt's cancel. Okay? So that's how that's going to be from this red section, red highlighted yellow, down. Okay, so you see how you can program this now? And basically you do the same thing for dx dt and for x. Okay, exact same setup you would do for dv dt and v. Okay, and remember, just dx dt is just v. It's just equal to v, which is this equation here. Okay, so based on my givens, I think if you use a coefficient of drag of 0.2, you should get around 36 meters per second. Okay.